Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer, presented by ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. Of course, we're back at it again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian, and I am Rafael Di Furia. And we wanted to ask Marco in this episode, how do you move to an EU country as an Italian citizen?
According to the European Union Treaty, as an Italian citizen, you have the ability to visit or relocate for work purposes or other purposes to any other European country. Now, if you are just visiting, there are formalities. You may have to declare your presence in the country in which you have gone within 8 days from your arrival, but every country has different rules, so it's best to check the requirements that apply to that specific country. However, if you are moving to another European country long term, you will have to register as a resident if your intention is to stay for longer than 3 months. There are certain requirements to be able to register as a resident, which means that if you're working, you may have to present financial statements related to your work as an employee or a self-employed individual. If you are studying, you will have to present documents related to the enrollment in a school in that country. If you are retired or otherwise supporting yourself, you will have to provide proof that you're able to support yourself in that country. If you meet these requirements, you will be allowed to register as a resident. Of course, that has other benefits, meaning that you will be able to access several of the services, if not all of them, that are offered by the country in which you are relocating to its citizens. For example, you may be able to use the healthcare system as the same conditions of the citizens of that country. You may be able to get an ID depending on the country. So registering as a resident has several advantages, and you should do so if your intention is to stay in the other European country for longer than 3 months. Now, after you have maintained your residency in the other European country for 5 years, you can apply for permanent residency, which means that you will be able to obtain a document, a statement from that country that basically certifies your status and basically no longer connects your status to the fact that you have a job, that you are self-employment, that you have some sort of income, and basically the ability to stay becomes permanent, and it's no longer connected to, again, the requirements that we mentioned at the beginning. You also will be allowed to leave the country for a longer period of times without losing your permanent residency status.
Well, thank you so much, Marco, for answering this question and getting into this topic. Of course, this has been another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer. I'm Rafael Di Furia, and we'll see you all next time. Later.
Thank you.